Hello everyone, this is Kartikeya. Welcome to my channel MCAT. Today on the occasion of Babu Jagjeevan Ram's Jayanti, let us know about him. Jagjeevan Ram was born on 5th April 1908. Known popularly as Babuji, was an Indian independence activist and politician from Bihar. He was instrumental in the foundation of the All India Depressed Classes League, an organization dedicated to attaining equality for untouchables. Jagjeevan Ram was born at Chandwa near Ara in Bihar into the Chamar caste of Indian caste system. He had an elder brother Santlal and three sisters. His father, Sobiram, was with the British Indian Army posted at Peshawar, but later resigned due to some differences and bought farming land in his native village Chandwa and settled there. He also became a Mahant of the Shivnarayani sect and being skilled in calligraphy, illustrated many books for the sect that were distributed locally. Young Jagjeevan Ram attended a local school in January 1914. Upon the premature death of his father, Jagjeevan and his mother Vasanti Devi were left in a harsh economic situation. He joined Agarwal Middle School in Ara in 1920, where the medium of instruction was English for the first time, and joined Ara Town School in 1922. It was here that he faced caste discrimination for the first time, yet remained unfazed. An often cited incident occurred in his school. There was a tradition of having two water pots in the school, one for Hindus and other for Muslims. Jagjeevan drank water from the Hindu pot, and because he was from an untouchable class, the matter was reported to the principal, who placed a third pot for untouchables in the school. Jagjeevan broke this pot twice in protest until the principal decided against placing the third pot. A turning point in his life came in 1925 when P.T. Madan Mohan Malviya visited his school and, impressed by his welcome address, invited him to join the Banaras Hindu University. Jagjeevan Ram passed his matriculation in the first division and joined the Banaras Hindu University BHU in 1927, where he was awarded the Birla Scholarship and passed his inter-science examination. While at BHU, he organized the scheduled caste to protest against social discrimination. As a Dalit student, he was denied basic services like meals in his hostel and haircuts by local barbers. A Dalit barber would arrive occasionally to trim his hair. Eventually, Jagjeevan left BHU and continued his education at Calcutta University. The incidents in BHU turned him into an atheist. In 2007, the BHU set up a Babu Jagajjeevan Ram chair in his Faculty of Social Sciences to study caste discrimination and economic backwardness. He received a BSc degree from the University of Calcutta in 1931, where again he organized conferences to draw attention towards issues of discrimination, and also participated in an anti-untouchability movement started by Mahatma Gandhi. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose took notice of him at Calcutta when in 1928 he organized a Mazdoor rally at Wellington Square, in which approximately 50,000 people participated. When the devastating 1934 Nepal Bihar earthquake occurred, he got actively involved in the relief work and his efforts were appreciated. When popular rule was introduced under the 1935 Act and the scheduled caste were given representing in the legislatures, both the nationalists and the British loyalists sought him because of his first-hand knowledge of the social and economic situation in the Bihar. Jagjeevan Ram was nominated to the Bihar Council, He chose to go with the nationalists and joined Congress, which wanted him not only because he was valued as an able spokesperson for the depressed classes, but also that he could counter B.R. Ambedkar. He was elected to the Bihar Assembly in 1937. However, he resigned his membership on the issue of irrigationists. He criticized Ambedkar as a coward who could not lead his people. In 1935, he was elected to Bihar Legislative Assembly in 1937, after which he organized the rural labor movement. In 1946, he became the youngest minister in Jawaharlal Nehru's interim government and the first cabinet of India as a labor minister, and also a member of Constituent Assembly of India, where he ensured that social justice was enhanced in the constitution. He went on to serve as a minister with various portfolios for more than 40 years as a member of the Indian National Congress (INC). Most importantly, he was the Defense Minister of India during the Indo-Pak War of 1971, which resulted in the creation of Bangladesh. His contribution to the Green Revolution in India and modernizing Indian agriculture during his two tenures of Union Agriculture Minister are still remembered, especially during 1974 drought when he was asked to hold the additional portfolio to tide over the food crisis. In the Constituent Assembly, he advocated for the rights of Dalits and argued for affirmative action based on the caste in elected bodies and government services. Though he supported Prime Ministers Indira Gandhi during the emergency from 1975 to 1977, he left Congress in 1977 and joined the Janata Party alliance along with his Congress for Democracy. He later served as the Deputy Prime Minister of India from 1977 to 79, and then in 1981 he formed Congress. At his death, he was the last surviving minister of the interim government and the last surviving original member of the first cabinet independent of India. The place of his cremation has been turned into a memorial, Tanmay, and his birth anniversary is observed as Tanmay Equality Day in India. His birth centenary celebrations were held all over the nation, and demands for awarding him a posthumous Bharat Ratna have been raised from time to time. Andhra University conferred an honorary doctorate on him in 1973, and in 2009, on the occasion of his 101 birth anniversary, his statue was unveiled on the university premises. To propagate his ideologies, the Babu Jagjeevan Ram National Foundation has been set up by Ministry of Social Justice, Government of India in Delhi. The training academy for Railway Protection Force officers is named after Jagjeevan Ram. The first built electric locomotive, a WAM-1 model, was named after him and was recently restored by the Eastern Railway. In 2015, the Babu Jagjeevan Ram English Medium Secondary School was established in Mahatma Gandhi Nagar, Yerawada, Pune. As of March 2016, the school serves 125th in 7th and 8th graders from Yerawada. The school honors Babuji and his advocacy of education and opportunity for all people of lower caste by being the first Pune Municipal Corporation public school to offer education past the 7th grade. He also has a hospital named in his honor, Jagjeevan Ram Hospital, in the Mumbai Central area of Mumbai. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe and hit the bell for more updates. Meet you in the next video.